Hi, welcome to this class. Imagine creating stunning professional grade images from just a few words. No artistic skill needed, no expensive software, and you can do it in under 30 minutes. Sounds impossible? Welcome to incredible world of AI image generation. And in this crash course, I'm going to show you exactly how. What is AI image generation and why now? Image generation is generally using text to create images using different models. For example, here I have created this particular image with a chef and a cat, and this particular image using a different model using the same concept, chef and a cat. So these are Microsoft's new image model, which is my image one, and then GPT's image model, which is RAC. You can also use different image models such as Gemini, or you can use Pioneer to do the same thing. Okay, so there is a lot of images, there is a lot of explosion in the quality of images, and when it comes to AI image generation, you have a lot of image explosion. So there are a lot of models, so you get a lot of options as well. So when you where to use this, you can use this in marketing, creating marketing images, creating art images, creating content. When you are doing some content creation and want images for that, you can create using that. You can use it for personal projects. By then, you will learn to create amazing visuals quickly and efficiently. Okay. So first is Midjourney. Let's see. If we go to Midjourney, if I click on the free version, which is this, if I go to Midjourney, I can go ahead and log in. I can continue with Google, and this is a tool that we can use to create images. I'm logging in. I'll show you how to create an image in Midjourney. So here, click on create. So here you can just type Midjourney free image generator. I can select this one, which is accessible via Unity, and I can give it a prompt. So over here we can just copy a prompt that we like and then click on create. You have to sign in to use this. I'm using my Gmail account to sign in. So you have 10 tokens. You can continue using the tokens. I just use Midjourney over here on the left hand side, and I will write the prompt. So as you can see, the Midjourney did some wonderful images. So this is how you do it. Okay, you can download it if you want. And that's about it. That is Midjourney. And you can also use DALL-E, which is versatile and good for specific objects. It uses stable diffusion, which is a type of mode. It is a mode which is used when you are generating images. The costs for all these models have a lot of costs when you are developing it. So if you go to LM Arena or somewhere over here where you can practice, then you will get them for free. Okay. For example, you can use LM Arena. Midjourney for use and for ease of use and creating stunning and simple web-based stable diffusion variants. Okay, and you can use the single prompt. You can ask the Copilot for a prompt if you want. If you don't know how to create it, and it will give you a prompt. You can use that prompt and do it for across devices. Okay. So now I will explain you what a prompt is. A prompt is something that you write while creating AI images. Okay. The prompt it should always have subject, it should have description, it should have style by artistic influence, and the technical details. Keyword success, you can use cinematic ethereal, example Van Gogh. You can suggest the camera angles and a lot of things, right? So here I will just copy this and I will ask for a prompt. Give me a prompt for this. Started generating the images. You can also use Copilot to generate the images. Copilot is also a very good tool to generate images. It wanted to create the image by itself before giving a prompt. It will test the prompt and then give you the prompt. That is one advantage when you're using Copilot. Let's wait. In the meantime, there is also a negative prompt, which is nothing but what you want to exclude from the image. For example, multiple people when you are generating clip art, uh, good and bad prompts. Let me show you an example of good and bad prompt. For example, this is cat in space. This is a very bad prompt. Cat in space dancing with dogs. Because there are multiple subjects and confusing things, I want to see what happens when you give a prompt like this, right? It might be good for a cartoonish prompt, but for a stable engine, it's a very bad prompt. Okay, this is what it gave us. This was fast, and we can check this out. And the Hang Yuan, is taking a lot of time to generate this. I already know that is better than the right because it is still trying to generate something. So over here, actually, right is better, quite frankly. So Hangyuan image made it through. So I already showed you a lot of right demos, right? So you should always have a basic prompt and you should have a lot of things. And that's about it. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Um, and there you have it. In under 30 minutes, you learn the fundamental of creating stunning AI images, the power to visualize anything you imagine, is now at fingertips. Now it is up to your turn to experiment, explore, and create. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe for more content and leave a comment below with your favorite AI tools or image you want to create next. Thank you so much.